Good morning, everybody. It is my first trip to the junkyard of 2026. I can't believe that it's almost the end of February and this is my first trip. I think that's correct. I don't think I've been here since the new year, but very excited. There are three things I'm here to check out today: one Lexus IS 300 and a old Corolla, like an 01 Corolla. Hopefully it's an S, and then a 1997 Celica. The Celica, I hope it has a good steering wheel. They have the same kind of steering wheel as the Supra. I really hope it's leather. That'd be awesome. I don't know enough about Celicas, but yeah, it's good to be back at the junkyard, and thanks for tuning in, guys. I love coming across cars that I was not looking for in the junkyard. This is a great example, an old CRX. I saw one on the way here on the road, and I got super excited, and now here's another one. While it looks super rough on the outside, I mean, it's been sitting a long time, got some rust there. The dash looks really nice. I love the checkered board interior panels on the door cards and the seat. And then over here, this is a 1987 Honda Accord. It's got pop-ups, it's a hatchback, it's a two-door Accord. That is flipping cool. If I've ever seen one, I don't recall it, so that's pretty awesome. All right, I'm inside this old Accord, and the reason is I saw this. This is an old equalizer. This is a Honda branded item. I thought it was neat. I thought I'd pick it up. It's 40% off day, so it won't be very expensive. Hopefully only like 5, 6, maybe it's $10. It was mounted down there in that center console. There's a little plastic piece that was mounted in. It was 2 screws. Well, I took 2 screws out, and the whole thing slid out. Took 2 screws off of one side, not the other side. The whole thing slid out, and then it was 2 screws to get the brackets off. But I'm gonna pick this up. I don't know if it's worth anything. I'm not sure if it works, obviously, but I thought it was neat. So I'm stopping at this Scion TC for a second, not for the Scion TC itself, but this piece here. Looking at it, this is a Volvo piece, and it looks like probably a newer piece as far as like the sticker looks very fresh. It looks like a newer made item. But what stood out to me as I was walking by was this is wood. This is just a piece of wood they've cut to size, routed out, and upholstered. I've seen wood used for the floor plate or floor base on some older cars, but I haven't seen it on something newer, from the 2000s or something. So I thought that was pretty cool. And now I'm looking inside, and one of those people. Stickers just randomly on their dash. Ugh. So as I said, there are 3 cars I'm here for. 2 of them are up there. Sorry, my finger's in the way. You can see the back end of an IS 300. It is the white car kind of in the center right there. It's an automatic. The steering wheel is gone, and one of the taillights is busted. I'll check out the headlights in a minute. Next to it is the trunk up, kind of, you can see. You probably can't. There's a red Celica, but some people are in it right now. The steering wheel is there. They're not messing with the steering wheel. I want that. But I also want to be courteous because, we're all here for the same reasons, for parts, and I'm not trying to snake somebody when they're on a car. And then we get to this here, the third car I came for, which is the Corolla S. And this is an S model. I wasn't sure, but as I was walking up, I saw the steering wheel, and it's in really, really good shape. It's the one, the red stitch. The Corolla S had the red stitch wheels. This one's good. It's got a little crack here. There's probably a couple other small blemishes, but as a whole, this thing is in excellent shape. Again, today's 40% off today, so I can probably pick this up for like $9 or $10. Yeah, and then the wheel itself would be a good $75, $80. The red stitch are more popular than the traditional black. So yeah, this should be a good flip, and should be a quick flip. So yeah, and while I'm here, I'm going to rate it for some like little screws and nuts and bolts, because I got a project coming up that I'm going to share with you guys soon. I say project, it's not my project, but yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon about that. Hey, we're hitting the Corolla, and I was very positive about like finding this steering wheel and all, and I'm not so positive right now. The steering wheel is great, by the way, good to go on that, but we've had a bit of a casualty. All right, we've had a bit of a casualty out here in the junkyard, and I knew this day was coming. I knew that it was inevitable, but after about 15 years, give or take, I have blown out the crotch in my camo cargo shorts. Yeah, that sucks. Because as I keep moving, it gets bigger and bigger, and here comes the graphic content, and I apologize, but let me just kind of show you guys what I'm talking about here. Now, like, I have some cuts here. These happen, no big deal. But, yeah, I can put my finger through that. You can see my underwear. Please stop looking. I'm sorry, I just subject you to that kind of thing, that kind of adult content. But this is it. I gotta get rid of these shorts now. I've had them for so long. They're so good. They're just, it's old, just BDUs. I got them at the Army Surplus store out in Ashburn, North Carolina. Dilks, good place. Cut them off, make some shorts out of them. What a bummer. Damn. All right, back to hunting. Now let's go check out that Celica. That sucks. Oh.
Eventually, I blew the crotch out them things.
Baby J. So I got into that Celica. That guy there, super nice dude. He's got a 97 Celica that he's trying to redo. So I got in there. I could not get the thing off, the steering wheel off. I beat and banged all over it, and it just did not come off. So yeah. Picked up a few things today. We're gonna head to the checkout, and hope y'all have an awesome day. Thanks for tuning in as always. And yeah, I got another video I'm gonna do next day or two because I'm very excited about a project. Y'all take care. All right, one more bit on my way out. I'm right there is where the entrance kind of starts. Someone commented on a recent video, or a video recently rather, that these center console, these center trim pieces on the Matrix were easy to get off and sought after. I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys chiming in and telling me. I came by this one on the way out, and it's already been taken off. And I see what's still here. It's got a crack on the top of it. You might not be able to see it, but it's got a crack. So I'm going to have to leave it, but now I know. And in the future, I can get them.